Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve this error once you restart your system. So you will looking this automatic repair, your PC didn't start correctly error. So to resolve, just you have to restart your PC. If restart method not work, so click on advanced options here, and now here there are some more options. So here select troubleshoot, and just you have to reset this PC. Let's you choose to keep or remove your personal file and then reinstall Windows. So it will reset your system and your system will work as new. But make sure there are some more options like keep my files and remove everything. So you can select any option. So firstly try this one, keep my files and reset. Choose an account to continue, like your account, and you need to enter your password. And after that click on continue. Now there are some more options, cloud download and reinstall Windows. How do you like to reinstall Windows? If your connection is metered, charge may apply. Cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. So I will select local reinstall, and you need to wait for a few minutes getting things already. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve, and also you can reset your PC. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.